Huncho World, what is the deal? With another video,
It's
let's
life.
go. You know what I'm saying? It's late at night. You know what I'm saying? I've been vlogging all day. So I challenged myself and some of my friends. So the challenge is I'm going to vlog every day until I become a millionaire. You know what I'm saying? So when I become a millionaire, I'm going to vlog being a millionaire. You know what I'm saying? So just, you know what I'm saying? So I had to buy another camera. So guess what we're going to be doing today? We're going to be unboxing my new camera. You know what I'm saying? So now I got two cameras of my own. You know what I'm saying? I get to get my own angles. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. You feel me? So I feel like two cameras is really going to be necessary just so I can see both angles at once. Just in case one recording don't come out right, I got the other recording. Well, so I think it's going to be useful. For vlogging, that's why. Because I'm going to use this camera that I'm recording with now for vlogging. But I'm going to use the other one for I'm recording. So I can record myself. That makes sense, you know what I'm saying? So, needless to say, let's get into it. Alright? So, I did get another memory card. I did spend some cheese today. Too much cheese. But it's going to be worth it in the end because it's going to come back, you know what I'm saying? But the best thing to do is to invest in yourself. So, what did I do? I got the EOS R6 Mark II, you know what I'm saying? So, check me out. I had the EOS R at first. I still got it, you know what I'm saying? That's going to be my, you know what I'm saying? It's like you buy two pairs of shoes, right? Then one is the one to wear, and one is for looks, you know what I'm saying? So, this one, it's gonna be my haircutting camera, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing all my haircut videos, you know what I'm saying? A little other shit. And then this one's gonna be like the vlog camera, you know what I'm saying? Where I could just record anything, you know what I'm saying? But let's get into it. You know what I'm saying? I have not shot with this. I ain't even looked up. No reviews, none of that, you know what I'm saying? So the dude that was at the photo supply store, he said, this is 10 times better than the Canon EOS R, you know what I'm saying? The quality, the focus, you know what I'm saying? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a video and I'm going to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Show you a haircut video. But, so what comes in here? You got the warranty, you know what I'm saying? Image Canon. I don't know what this is, but it got a QR code on it. You scan it, you know what I'm saying? Always got the manual. You want to always make sure you keep the warranty, you know what I'm saying? You can put insurance on your camera just so in case it breaks, you know what I'm saying? Insurance will cover it. It come with a battery charger. Definitely gonna need that. So another tip that I had to learn the hard way, get more than one battery, you know what I'm saying? Just in case one of them dies, you got a spare one, you know what I'm saying? I had to learn the hard way. So always keep more than one battery. You feel me? I got like 4 of them. But somehow my shit still be going dead, you know what I'm saying? But not really. But it's definitely get, always carry more than one memory card, and always carry more than one battery and a battery charger. And more than one lens. Get like a motherfucking, I be using like a 35, and then I use like a 50 millimeter lens, 1.8 aperture, 1.4. Just try to get the lowest aperture you can. Come with a battery too in here. But yeah, them is definitely my tips on the camera stuff. You don't even have to. So I would get, if you're not trying to spend a lot of money, I would get the EOS R. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna run you. I'm saying a cool little bandy. You know what I'm saying? It was like 2000 when I first got it. It came out in like 2020, but it dropped down to probably like 1200 or something. You gotta check the price, but it's definitely a good camera to use. I'm still gonna use it. You know what I'm saying? So here come the body. Of course, that's all that's in the box. Body come with a strap. You know what I'm saying? Cameras, the Canons, they usually never come with lenses. Well, at least all the ones I got never came with lenses. So you're always gonna have to buy the lens separate. I got a 24mm on here, I think it's a 1.8 aperture. Let me see. No. Oh no, it ain't that deep. Just make sure you get like 1 point. So let me see. Oh yeah. F-stop is 1.8. You know what I'm saying? So I always get a little f-stop, which is the aperture, whatever. It's gonna make your stuff pop. So we got the camera. Comes with a camera cover. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. Still looks like the Canon EOS R. Same body. I'm looking at it. The only difference is it say R6 Mark II. Weight's about the same. Ain't nothing too crazy. It's almost, I don't know if it's light or not. I don't know how I feel about the dial. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can see what it say on there, but on the EOS R, it don't really do that. You feel me? Is this the upgrade? I hope so. But, you know what I'm saying? This flips out. You can turn it towards you. So when I record my reels, I'll put the camera like this. This is face towards me. This is like this. You know what I'm saying? I got a tripod. You know what I'm saying? So I put it on a Siru S-I-R-U-I Siru ET 2004 tripod. Sturdiest tripod. Motherfucker not gonna lean over. Not gonna slide to none of that when you're recording like this. You know what I'm saying? Good ass tripod. But yeah. Looks like that. Turn this bitch on. Put the battery in there. It'd be tight if it like made some noise. You know how like Microsoft computers used to always make a noise when you turn it on. You know what I'm saying? Battery in there. So this right here, switch, you can see from video mode to camera mode. You know what I'm saying? Before you turn this on button different. But I turned it on. I don't think hold on. What's going on? I'm tripping. I just put a dead battery in here. Oh, let me go get another battery. Oh, got another battery right here. This motherfucker about to die though, but let me put it on charger. Oh. So just how you set up, you know what I'm saying? What's today's date and all that stuff. What's today's date? Hold on. Yeah, it's touchscreen. You know what I'm saying? It is touchscreen, which is a plus. I'll always like all my cameras touchscreen. Easy to touch, you know what I'm saying? But the dial button over here, like you gotta scroll it. Like on my EOS R, you just press it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. It rotates. So the dial pad is not an up and down button. You feel me? I don't really know if I like that, but that's what touchscreen is for. So Sigma lenses are good. I do got a 35mm Sigma lens, whatever. But that bitch is heavy. You know what I'm saying? So if you're trying to vlog and stuff, I would recommend getting like a lens where you don't gotta put another piece. What's it called? Adapting piece to the lens and then touch it to the camera. That mug gonna be heavy. So I recommend getting like another lens that you could just put on there without the adapter. What? This is the 50. Oh, that might look nice. Let me see. Take a picture. Play with my settings. Nah, it look good. Oh shit! That shit is clear. I don't know if this is a camera or what, or a picture. Next to the f-stop is only 5.6. I wish I could see what I'm saying. So, how do you change this? Okay, put the f-stop at 1.8. That look is definitely clear. So when I take a picture, it sounds like a. I'm saying. I don't know what the B stands for, but it was on B. Put mine on aperture priority because that's what I prefer. Blur, sharp. Oh, that's tough. Set your preferred aperture value. You know what I'm saying? Jesus. Let's try. Damn, that's tough. So the higher your aperture, the more background you can see. Lower your aperture, the less background you can see. Okay, so when you're recording like 4K, everything look faster. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, this camera is crazy. The picture is crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show it like I'm gonna put it like right there. Oh my gosh, what happened to Virgil? What in the fuck? I can see. Oh, this. Oh shit. I can see everything in this mug. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it right now. You know what I'm saying? Pictures A1. You know what I'm saying? Picture is A1. I give it a 10 out of 10 right there. Because that shit just blew my other camera out the water. I'm saying, okay. So now, we on the video mode. So we still on aperture priority. We're going to change that down. Oh my gosh. Wow. Is that what he said? This shit looks crazy. It's making red around the screen where it's recording at. But I'm like, definitely looks clear. So you just tap to focus. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it. Everybody say you shoot on manual, but I'm not the guy to shoot on manual. I don't know how to do all my settings yet, so I'll just put on auto. But so far so good. This shit looks fire. And definitely, sure, I paid $2,500 for this. I better learn how to, you know what I'm saying? I better learn how to use this motherfucker. But I'll fuck with it, you know what I'm saying? So we just gonna see how it goes. But I'm fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment below. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel because I'm becoming with challenges, haircuts, tutorials, fun stuff, traveling, vlogs, all that. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and support. Show engagement. Oh yeah, and I got a clothing brand dropping. You know what I'm saying? So go on my Instagram, go on my bio, or you could just type in Huncho Haven, HUNCHO.HAVEN. That's my clothing brand. You know what I'm saying? Follow that page. I'll be dropping next month. We gonna be dropping next month. It's me and my boy. We doing our clothing line, you know what I'm saying? Huncho Haven is gonna drop something crazy for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all follow that and support it, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, and comment for me. Can't say it enough. Road to $1 million. Road to $1 million. Road to 1 million followers. Road to 1 million in everything, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get this, you know what I'm saying? We gonna make something shake. And y'all gonna be right along with me. Remember this video. That's really why I'm recording this. Documenting everything. Just for the future, you know what I'm saying? So I could look back, be like, I remember I was there. Can't wait to, you know what I'm saying? We are on the way to the top. I promise you. We gonna get there. Facts.